Minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha ni augite ati thukuru iria miako ya itakinyaniirie ikiro ni igukorwo ikihingwo umuthi thukuru wa Bombolulu uri uri kibiro kihingwo na ciana 207 kuma thukuru-ini uyu guthamirio thukuru-ini wa Ayani o mwena ucio. Magoha akiuga na arutani aria marari thukuru-ini uyu wa Bombolulu matiyandikithitie na TSC.
Fail to understand why children should go to the school I have come from, the Bombolulu one, and not this one. Do you agree with me that it beats all logic? First of all, everything here is free. We are shutting down schools that we feel are an immediate risk to our children. So even here in Kibera, you may find one or two others being shut down.
Magoha hamwe na maafitha angi ministry-ini ya githomo ni mekinyirie thukuru-ini uyu wa Ayani niguo gutigirira arutwo aya 207 ni mekuiganira kuo. Guku akiruta mukana kuri aria maramenya thukuru ciao itikinyaniirie ikiro, akiuga maafitha ministry ya githomo mari kundu gutiganite guthurima mathukuru.
We are empowering those officers to shut down those schools, but to be humane in that as we shut them down, can we ensure that there are schools where the minors are going? And there is going to be no teeth in this process.
Na kuona thukuru wa Precious Talent ni wahingirwo kurumirira ikuo cia ciana 7, Magoha akauga ni megukorwo makineana mwerekera wigie thukuru ucio wona thuthuria warika. O riri gwetereirwo thirikari ihitukie haria thukuru wa muthingi wa muingi ugwakwo mugunda-ini wa thukuru ya secondary ya Lenana.
By Thursday, I will get a full report. The proprietors are being investigated by various agencies. I want to assure you that by Monday, before Monday, we shall tell the public where if the school is reopening, to what capacity, if it's not reopening, where we shall take all those children.
Na hari kuhaririria mathiko ma ciana iria irakuire thukuru-ini wa Precious Talent, mashaka ya mahamwe ni megukorwo magitafanio hakuhi na thukuru uyu na igongona ria kuririkana ciana ici nario ritafanio muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki.
Nataka nishukuru jamii za wale ambao tunaomboleza na nyinyi kwa kukubali kwamba tujumuishe jamii hizi zote tuwe katika kamati moja.
Nake gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko ni arogametie wira andu 16 aria ni hamwe na maminista na maafitha nene a kanjo akimakuruhania na kumomoka gwa thukuru wa Precious Talent amu nio marari na wigiririki wa kuhitukia na guthurima waki wa manyumba. Ihinda-ini o riu Sonko ni amurite Pauline Kahiga ta minista wa ihinda wa kigina na mibango nake Veska Kagogo arogamirire ugima wa mwiri. Girifotera Kameme TV mutamburuko wa mohoro ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.